Hi, and welcome to Let's Bake and Cook Stuff. I'm Mary, and today I am making for you a decadent dessert, and you don't even have to turn on your oven. It is a peanut butter chocolate layered dessert. I'm calling it peanut butter chocolate dessert, or you could call it chocolate peanut butter dessert. And it's super easy, and I'm going to show it to you right now. It is just going to be 1 cup of graham cracker crumbs. Now I used about 9 graham crackers. I got just a tiny bit over a cup. Then I'm going to stir in 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Pretty basic, right? This is for a lot of crusts that we do with the graham crackers. You just want to make sure all the graham cracker crumbs are moistened. And you could actually do this in your pan if you didn't want to dirty another bowl. I wouldn't be mad at you. Okay, and you want it to hold together, kind of like wet sand, okay? So we're going to put that into an 8-inch square glass baking dish. You can put it in any 8-inch square baking dish you like. I like to put it in this one because I have a top for it. But if you have a metal one or plastic, whatever you have. You want to press this in here nice and firm. I'm going to put this in the fridge just while we're making our filling. Now I want to make the pudding portion. It's going to be 1 package of chocolate pudding. This is a 4 serving size chocolate pudding. 1 cup of milk. Now you need to whisk this for about 2 minutes until it's thickened. This is going to be thicker than normal pudding. Okay, if you were making pudding, you'd add more milk. But we're making a dessert, so we want this to be thicker than regular pudding. Now I'm going to put in here half of this whipped topping. And you could use whipped cream if you whipped up some cream and wanted to use that instead. The only reason I'm using this is a little bit sturdier, and also it's making it easier, and we're trying to do an easy no-bake dessert. So, but if you wanted to put real whipped cream in there, that would be delicious. Okay, we're just going to fold this in, get this nicely lit. Gonna get this nicely mixed in. Okay, now for the next layer, it's our peanut butter layer with our cream cheese. It's gonna be 3/4 of a cup of peanut butter. I am using chunky, but use creamy if you want. I don't buy creamy. The only time I use creamy peanut butter is if somebody requests it, like if my grandkids are coming over because they like creamy, or if I'm making frosting, because if you can frost a cake with the chunky, but you can't decorate with it because the nuts get stuck in the piping tips. Okay, 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese and 1 cup of powdered sugar. Whip it up. Now the other half of the whipped topping is going to go in here. This was an 8-ounce container whipped topping. I'm not sure if I mentioned what size this is. Just the standard size. They have the great big ones, and I have used those too and stuff. Okay, now this just needs to go in here. Just stir this in. Really? I'll try a spoon. Now this would make a delicious frosting just like this if you wanted to put this on a cake. Except you can't pipe it because I just told you why. That is our peanut butter, cream cheese, and powdered sugar mixture. I have our chocolate pudding here, and this is the peanut butter and cream cheese mixture. So this is almost like a peanut butter cheesecake, a no-bake peanut butter cheesecake. By the way, I'm using graham cracker crumbs here, but you could use any kind of cookie crumbs here. If you wanted to use Oreo cookies, you just need a cup of crumbs. I'm just going for traditional here with the graham cracker crumbs, but you could use anything. I have this, it's called Reese's Baking Cups and Reese's Pieces Candies. And it has tiny cups and the candies in there. I'm going to put half of those here. Okay, now there's the pudding layer. I'm talking about a quick and easy dessert that's done in no time. Now you do have to let this sit. That's the thing with these no-bake desserts. Most of the time they have to sit in the fridge for several hours. This one is 4 hours. Okay, now the rest of these candies. You just want to spread them out around evenly so everybody gets a little tasty taste of every kind of candy, which is just the Reese's Pieces. You could use chocolate chips for this. You could use, they sell these these mini Reese's peanut butter cups too. You could put those, you could just put those on there. You could put just chocolate chips. You could put some crushed up of the cookie that you use. If you use graham cracker crumbs or you use ginger snaps or whatever kind of cookie, Oreo cookies, whatever kind of cookie you use, you could put that, you could crush that up and put it on here with these, or instead of these actually. All right, this is gonna go into a pre-cooled refrigerator, and it's gonna stay in there for about 4 hours, and then we'll be back. I'll see you in 4 hours. Welcome back. Our dessert is done. I just want to show you what happened. I'm gonna give you a close-up so that you don't do this. The Reese's Pieces bled into it. It's still gonna taste good, but yeah, next time I would just use the chocolate, not the candy coated things. Live and learn. Success. There you go. You got the graham cracker crust, the peanut butter, and the chocolate, and then the goodies in between and on top. Perfect summer dessert. It's got chocolate, it's got peanut butter, it's got graham crackers. I hope you give this a try. Thanks for watching. You take care now.